What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but anyway, nevertheless, I'm on here trying to make a video. But anyways, what we're going to be doing today is reviewing two synthetic wigs. One is a full cap wig, and then the other one is a half wig. But yeah, and I ordered these from wigtypes.com, and yeah, I'm just going to be turning them into half wigs because I'm not paying $200 for a half wig. So anyways, I got these headbands right here. They're really pretty. But yeah, let's get right into the video. So about this full cap wig, and again, this is the Bobbi Balls Human Hair Blend full cap wig in the style body wave in the color number 1. This hair stopped like at my breast. It's a light yaki. My hands is going through it pretty good. You get a few little snags here and there. See, what's that? But yeah, just don't keep running your hands through it. But it's super pretty, light yaki. This cost me, I think it was like $16.58 or something like that. But right now it's $20.78 now. So yeah, it's a little thin for me. That's the only con. It could be a little thicker because this is all the hair pulled to the front. Could be a little thicker. So, but I'll just fluff it out. But yeah, few tangles. I'm pretty sure it will tangle up on you after you keep wearing it. You get a few shed hairs here and there, but nevertheless, this is pretty. So, on to the next wig. Okay, yeah, so I'm really liking this wig. This is the Sensational Synthetic Cap Wig Instant Weave Drawstring Cap IWD 004 in a color 1B. But this one it looks like. I really like these headbands with these wigs. So this is the side. This is the back. This is the other side. Yeah, but I really like this. And I'm gonna bring the hair to the front. But yeah, y'all, this one is going. This is what it looks like up close. Like you can see the yucky texture, which is okay because my hair is crinkled. My natural hair is curling up anyways. So yeah, I like this wig, y'all. And so right now I'm not getting tangles really, but I'm pretty sure I will. I think I caught like one little snag in the back, but these are synthetic wigs. So anyways, and this wig cost me $14.94 on wigsites.com. But yeah, I really like this. The density is full. It's not thin like the last wig. The last wig was thin. This one is kind of full, but not too full. It's not overbearing, and it looks natural with my natural hair texture. Okay, you guys, so that was it for this video. If you like this video and want to see more of these videos, please like and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you in the next video.